Do you have a business or a business idea? Do you know you can apply for a $2,750 grant powered by our one and only John Damon of Shark Tank? If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Just so you know, whenever I mention grants on this channel, I'm talking about free money that you're not paying back. This is a $2,750 USD grants that you are not paying back. If this strikes like something you're interested in, $2,750 grants powered by John Damon of our wonderful Shark Tank. Hey, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Just so you know, here are some of the questions that they will ask you. Number one, why did you become a small business owner? What is the origin of your story? What is the origin story of your business? Be as specific as possible. Don't worry, I'm going to be spilling all the tea. Yes, so as regards this grant, so come with me, let's go. If you're new to my channel, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to meet you. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? How did you find my video? I'd like to really know you guys. For real, I'm building a community on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. You guys are amazing. And to all of my Patreon members, Kilo, Shele, Gongo, no, thank you for your love and your support, your massive support. I see every single one of you. You guys have a special place in my heart. If you also want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. If you join my Patreon community, part of the perks of joining includes you having direct access to me. Yes, you can book a free consultation with me, one-on-one consultation with me anytime. We can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. You guys already know by now that I've always got you guys covered. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves as well in the comments. Yes, I like to know you. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, we share all things money. It's all about helping you secure the bag. We are all about the bags, securing the bag and nothing more. So without further ado, guys, let's just get right into the nitty-gritty of today's video. So come with me, guys, let's go. So guys, please note these are the questions to expect when you get on the application form. They would ask you to please elaborate on how you intend to use this grant funding and how does your business connect with and support your community, including yourself. How many employees does your business have? Besides this, here are some tips that will also help you to win grants. Please always look out for grant options. Make sure that you turn on notification on this channel and make sure that the time that you spend to apply for these grants are actually worth their worth. Read over the specific individual application instructions for each grant. Some are actually similar, but some are exactly the same. Make sure that you double check that you are eligible. Provide specific numbers on how the grants will be used and how it will help you. This has helped a lot of people win grants, so thank me later. Double check your spelling and your grammar. Submit your application early. You may look more prepared than people who apply late. Back up your claims with credible citations and be realistic when you are mentioning your company's costs and revenue. Now, the number one advantage of business grants is that they are essentially free money that you don't have to pay back. Grants don't need to be repaid, which is what makes them so appealing to business owners. Now, not only that, some grants also offer hefty amounts of money depending on the applicant's idea. Some people are ready to fund your business idea. So it's not every time that you must have your business duly registered. However, that's also a bonus for you. So make sure that you always take advantage of this amazing opportunity. No matter what industry you are getting into, there are tons of information and resources at your fingertips. And when you also win one grant, your first grant, you also stand a chance to start winning multiple grants. Yes, when you've been awarded one, you're likely to receive others. And when someone has already given you free money, other organizations will see you as a reliable candidate, and you can use grants to also gain credibility and free publicity. Yes, so not only will getting grants put you on the path of receiving another, but it will also increase your visibility. And that's about it, guys. So here are certain things you need to know about the $2,750 Galaxy grant. It's a giveaway and it's free to enter. Go ahead and enter for a chance to win the new $2,750 Galaxy grants, brought to you by Hidden Star, a 501c3 non-profit with an 8-year track record. Galaxy grants only takes 30 seconds to enter. And of course, it is powered by our one and only John Damon. The deadline for these grants is, of course, every month. So you can always apply. Even if you don't meet the cut for this month, you can always reapply again next month. Guess what? Go ahead and send this video to your friend, and if they win, you both win. Each of you will receive $2,750 grants. In case you're wondering who is eligible to apply for these grants, all minority entrepreneurs, including women living in the United States, are eligible to participate in the Galaxy of Stars grants. It includes men and women. Even if you have not yet started your own company, but you're thinking about it, you're eligible to also use their tools. There are more than 11 million minority and women businesses in the United States and millions more side hustles. So they welcome you all to take advantage of the free tools that Galaxy of Stars offers. If you know a minority or a woman entrepreneur who can benefit from this, please go ahead and spread the word. Send this video to them. The bigger the community gets, the more everyone benefits. And there you have it, guys. I have done all the legwork for you. I've done all the heavy lifting for you guys. Applying for grants is easier than you think. The hardest part is researching the grants itself, which I have done and I will continue to do for you guys for free on this channel. All you need to do is just make sure that you turn on your notification bells so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video, so you can take advantage of these grants. And if by virtue of watching my videos you happen to win any of these grants, please send me a 1-minute video pitch detailing how you found the grants by watching my YouTube videos. And of course, that way you can also help to inspire other people to keep applying for grants as well. Now, this is a note. Please, if you have a business idea and you're yet to start your company or register your business, please take this as a reminder to go to the nearest county and get your businesses duly registered. And if you're watching me for the first time and you have not introduced yourselves in the comments, God is watching you. And if you have not also subscribed to my channel, my Lord is watching you. Go ahead and introduce yourselves. Don't worry, on this channel, it is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. Together, we can help make our dreams come true. So go ahead and join the family. Also do well to like this video and share this video, because it's going to help me it's going to help more people find this video so that they can take advantage of it. I slept at 3:30 a.m. last night, so let's not make these efforts go to a waste. I'm constantly researching ways by which I can find new grants and share with you guys on this channel. Of course, I have to also do my verification. I have to also verify that these grants are authentic before I share with you guys. I have another amazing grant I'm going to be sharing with you guys in my next video. It's a $4,000 grant, but of course I'm going to be spilling the tea in my next video. So make sure that you turn on your notification bells so that you get notified each time whenever that video drops, or as well as subsequent videos right here on this channel. On this note, I want to say a big thank you to all my Patreon members. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, please note you're getting a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, business, money, and everything in between. You know I've always got you guys covered. As a Patreon member, you have 100% access to me. You can book a free call with me anytime you want, and we can help look at what your business ideas are and help you take it to the next level. And that's it, guys. Applying for grants is easier than you think. Please, watching this video doesn't translate to you applying. Make sure that you take the next step by going to the link in my description and apply for these grants. Yes, also do well to forward it to your friends. So go over to my videos, go to YouTube, go to my videos and start to watch all the videos, start to apply for these grants. A lot of them are available on a rolling basis, just like this one. This particular grant is available every month, so please take advantage of these opportunities and also do well to share with your friends. Do not leave YouTube today without checking this video right here.